drop it off. I was going to do it for Fairfield was tripping. So, no other places to go. I already learned some. All right, enjoying another part of the city called Sabaneta. And it's festive here. Something they probably do every Sunday. It's not just because the holiday is tomorrow. So, music, sidewalk cafes, food smelling good, people having a great time. This is a nice look from terrace from the Fairfields by Marriott Hotel. All right, kind of a rooftop view. That Mallorca is another mall, and what's amazing is like if you can see how the city is like down, come out of the mountains and down into the city. So this whole city is surrounded by mountains. I don't know if this video is going to capture the clouds or not. But we're on the move again. We're moving back closer to the dentist's office. So in a couple hours we'll be on our way to the other side of town. Wow, had a great time eating at the firehouse. Some great wings. Similar to the one in Tampa, Florida, but not a franchise.